welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this blog today I will discuss about how to deal with peer pressure and how to deal with negativity and peer pressure and how to cope up in your exam time. So during exams in any college exam, semester exams, or you are giving competitive exams like NEET exams or class 11 12 exam, it is very important that you should deal with yourself, how to deal with the stress anxiety that comes along the peer pressure and exam pressures, and what are the problem that students face during peer pressure. So uh, during exam time, so to combat the stress, it is very important to sleep regularly. Sleep cycles should not be disturbed. Sleep is important. At least 9 to 10 hours sleep is very important for the students. And then drink lots of water and juices are very important, like orange juice, mango juice or guava juice. Do drink juices and exercise daily. At least if you can't exercise, then at least work daily. Work on the park is very important. A fresh morning start with a walk in the park. So do work in the park and do motivate yourself always. See, there are a lot of negativity around you, around us. There are a lot of negativity, so um, do keep away yourself from negativity and grow with positivity. Who gives you positive vibes? Friends. Keep friends with positive vibes. See, there are people who are always ahead of us, whose capacity is to study for 8 to 9 hours, 12 hours, 15 hours, 24 hours, but some people can study 1 to 2 hours, 3 to 4 hours. So it depends on the it depends on person to person, and the race is like a horse race, who will win? No one knows, but you should know how to deal with the pressure. So in medical field there are a lot of pressure and stress. uh, Students face lots of stresses during medical pressure, due to in medical studies there are a lot of pressure, there are a lot of competition, so you have to take care of yourself, and you have to work daily. And regularly you should work in the park for 10 to 20 minutes, at least 30 minutes, 1 hour. Do exercise and do work and do talk with your family. Sometimes you need a psychiatric help also to combat the stresses. uh, do take psychiatric help. It's if you are not having sleep, if you are having stress, if you are having any kind of problem during exams or after exams, do take psychiatric help, because psychiatric help is so important to combat the depression they face in their life because of any breakage. Sometimes some people, so what happens, some students family issues are also there. So to deal with their family issues, do consult a psychiatric doctor, do consult a psychiatric doctor and do get treated. एंड ऐसा नहीं कभी मत सोचना कि जो भी साइकेट्रिक हेल्प लेते हैं कि वो लोग पागलों के डॉक्टर के पास जा रहे हैं, या फिर दे आर मैड और दे आर समथिंग लाइक दैट, देयर ब्रेन इज नॉट प्रॉपर. नो, it's not like that. It's like to deal with the depression, to deal with the peer pressure, you should take counseling. You should take counseling from people who is educated enough, who will make you realize what is important in your life and what is not important in your life, to show you the right direction. You need help, you need a counseling, so that you can focus on your goals and keep yourself motivated and do clear all the exams with good marks. And see, life is very small, so uh, we should know how to deal with pressure and combat pressure, and be in positivity. And you know that the medical field or entrance examination, like engineering examination or medical examination, it is very tough and it is quite a competitive. So it is quite a depressing phase of life also, to study for 8 to 12 hours when alone, and it's very difficult also. So do take help, and I'm always there wishing you good health. do take care of yourself, and do if you like the motivation, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. इसी तरह से मैं आपको फर्दर वीडियोस बनाती रहूँगी और आपको बताती रहूँगी कि किस तरह से हम लोग जो डॉक्टर्स हैं वो रोज़ाना पेशेंट के साथ कैसे डील करते हैं, उनसे कैसे बात करते हैं, and then how we are dealing with our pressure, and how we have dealt pressure during our NEET exams days, during first year, second year, third year, fourth year of medical studies, dental studies. So I will tell you in further blogs. Do keep yourself with me and keep updated with me, so that I can give you advice, or not advice, at least I can guide you, I can help you out of the situation. And do share, like and subscribe to my channel. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही मोटिवेशन, ज़्यादा ज्ञान नहीं दूंगी, आपको लगेगा कि ज़्यादा ज्ञान दे रही है, बट बस आज के लिए बस इतना ही। तो आपके साथ मैं शेयर करते जाऊंगी कि हाउ वी आर डीलिंग विद patient and the pressure that comes along with during the internship.